Samantala, palalakasin pa lalo ng Administrasyong Aquino ang paghikayat sa mga negosyante na mamuhunan sa bansa. Ayon kay Socio-Economic Planning Secretary Arsenio Balisacan, magandang oportunidad upang makalikha ng maraming trabaho para sa mga mamamayan. Sa pamamagitan nito, anya, ay mas mararamdaman ng mga mamamayan ang paglago ng ating ekonomiya. Si George Bandola para sa karagdagang detalye.
Aminado si Social Economic Planning Secretary Arsenio Balisacan na kailangang maramdaman ng tao ang angat na ekonomiya. Para maramdaman daw ito, kailangang makaligha ng mas maraming trabaho. Mali daw na tawaging jobless growth ang ekonomiya ngayon.
It's not that the economy is not producing jobs, it's producing jobs. If you look at the 2010 numbers to the present, you have quite a large number of jobs being created. The issue is that our population has been growing quite fast. Our labor force has also been growing at almost 1 million every year. And so the economy will just have to create far more jobs. Reviving the manufacturing is one of our strategy now. Getting the tourism sector move at the higher gear. Investing in agriculture, is especially connecting farmers to the global supply chain, to the local supply chain, improving their access to technology and credit. Those are the ones that we are looking closely because we do know that those are the ones that will generate jobs. So please stop using jobless growth. That's not factual.
Mismo ang Pangulong Aquino daw ang nag-atas na kailangang madaliin ang pagpaparamdam sa mga mahihirap ng angat na ekonomiya. Kaya panayhimok daw sa mga negosyante ang ginagawa ngayon ng gobyerno para mapalakas ang lahat ng sektor at makalika ng maraming trabaho.
So the challenge is for us to create those productive, highly remunerative employment opportunities so that Filipinos would rather stay here than working abroad. So it's, but again, it's not a problem that we can address overnight. We need to get this economic momentum going, especially investment. We need to get the investment climate improving so that we could get those job opportunities.
Hindi daw inaasahan ng mas mataas pang GDP growth sa unang bahagi ng taon, kaya mas magandang ipagpatuloy ang pang-aakit sa mga negosyante.
Business confidence and consumer optimism fuel this growth, and this is not without basis. We have been aggressively addressing the infrastructure bottleneck, and this is evident in the 45.6% increase in public construction. The private sector is heavily investing in capacity as well. Adjusting for its magnitude, the contribution of growth of private construction is at least 3 times that of public construction. Under the leadership of our President, we are coordinating our programs and projects to maximize efficiency and effectiveness. Going forward, we intend to focus the economy on priority sectors that are potential growth drivers and job generators, such as infrastructure, manufacturing, agriculture, tourism, logistics, BPOs in information technology, shipbuilding, housing, and the halal food industry.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bando.